Hi guys, Dave here, AF5DN, and this is not a new idea. I heard a friend on a repeater N5 KLW talk about something similar to this. So I just ran out to the garage real quick and grabbed up some scraps. And what I'm trying to do is create an emergency Morse key, or a CW key. Now I did, while I was in the garage, this is a hacksaw, an old one. You said it's been well used, but I did go ahead and sand this part of it off here before I came in. Okay, so you're not going to see that. Also got a couple of little chunks of wire. I went ahead and stripped them. And I'm going to be using my volt ohm meter. Let's see here. That not very loud. Battery may be getting low, but we could probably we can test it with that. All right, so this is a little a plug for some furniture, and it's actually I'm missing my little screw here. I'm missing a screw. Hold the fork. All right, I'm going to improvise. See, this is what it's all about, improvisation. I lost a screw, so I'm just going to improvise. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this screw through here and into this little wooden gizmo here. Maybe. Just don't want to get the screw in very well. Let me put a little hurt to it here. I broke it. Well, so much for that. We'll improvise. All right. So what I'm going to do here, first thing to do, I'm going to wrap some wire around this little gizmo right here. And screw him down to the 2x4. And I am cheating. I'm going to use a power tool. Might not have that in an emergency. For the sake of expediency for this little test, that'll work. Alright, let's get another one here. I don't know, let's try, let's go back about 2 inches maybe. I don't know about, oop. So far so good. Now, there's probably a lot of different ways to do this. I'm going to use these screws right here. On each side. There you go. I don't know if you can see this, but by adjusting the torque on these guys here, I can adjust how far that goes. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to go ahead and keep this from spinning around. Fortunately, my block of wood's long enough. Let me just put this in back here. Alright, now let's see what we got here. And I'll apologize if you cannot hear this because I think my battery is getting weak. And I should be able to just tap this around here. And hook this around here. Boy, that's very weak. Let's see here. Oops, that one out. I don't know. Maybe we can hear that if I get it up here real close. Alright, so does this work? I don't know. I guess so. An emergency CW key. There you go. Someday I'll learn how to use it. So just keep in mind, there's always a way to get around any situation.